Okay guys, in this tutorial I'm going to take you through Java database connectivity using SQLite. Now there's this folder. I've placed the link in the description. I want you to take this, download the whole folder, then I'll tell you what to do with them. But for now, mark this one. After you have it, place this one somewhere, maybe in C or somewhere, or in downloads. Mark the location of this, the executable jar file. Now go to your NetBeans. To create the connectivity, we'll create a simple program that connects to an existing database using SQLite with JDBC connection driver. So this is what you do. Start a new project, and it's called Java. This side should be Java application, just the way it is. Click next. The name of the Java application should be anything you want, but for me I'll write simple JDBC connection. Of course you're using SQLite, so that one you should just do. Finish. It will take some time to create that project, and I'll be pausing this for a while it's now it created successfully. We now have the basic class, connectivity class, as normal. It's just a normal class like that now. So the next thing I want you to do is go to the same project, the project folder. For my case, it's simple JDBC connection. Right click on it, then go to properties. Now here, the properties, select libraries, then add jar file. Add that jar file, and it's for my case it's here. It's this. It's SQLITE-JDBC. This is the thing I told you to mark. Mark this. Now from this, if you don't see it here, it's good to give a path. Maybe you can use either of them to check. In the downloads, you could find it here anywhere, like all you need for Java database, then it's here. That one. Open. After you've selected it, click open. Then of course okay, everything is done. It has completed whatever it was doing, saving the jar file. So you can see it here under this our project. Go to libraries, under our projects. I don't know why my computer is hanging, but it's not that powerful for the recorder. It's not responding. Libraries, you should find it here. If you open libraries, it should be opening. My computer has a problem. Let me just fix that. Okay, I've killed several background processes. I hope it will now be okay. Now here, the libraries folder, you will see it here. This is what I wanted. Now once you have that, we'll now start coding. First, we need to import several things. We'll import import Java SQL, Java dot SQL. Terrible. This is terrible. Dot connection. Connection, import Java SQL dot connection. Now import all those. I think you see, import these 3 items. After importing them, we need to create a sample connection. Now here we need to create a sample connection. Let me change my language, English. Yes. Now we need to create a sample connection. Create a sample connection. Let me comment this. Create a sample connection. Actually, we are not creating a sample connection. We are creating a connection, yes, but to a sample database that exists. Create a sample database. Actually, let's connect to a sample database. Connect to a sample database. Now, connecting to a sample database, I want you to be extra keen here. Now, we have to create a method called connect. Let's create a method called connect. It's static because it can be accessed anywhere. Public static. Having a problem in this computer today. With the date bits, to be specific. Public static void connect. This is the method I just created, but of course I've not finished doing everything. I don't know, I can't do it with you because it's hanging. Let's try this. It's very slow. Let's try doing this. Okay guys, I'll do the code then explain to you. It's not my fault. Now this is the method from here to here. Now this is the parameter. This from here is direction to your a URL to your database, the existing database. I'll tell you how to get it. Then of course we have a connection driver. This one gives us the connection. So if the connection is successful, we print this has been established. Then of course we have to catch some exception, get the error message, print it first to the console. Also catch if connection is not equal to null, we close the connection. After printing this, we close the connection, of course. Then catch exception, any exception that might be there, print it to the screen. Now this sample data, sample database, from this folder you'll see this. Now here extract this stuff and print it and extract it into this folder. Extract that to, you can create a folder or you can give it anywhere you extracted it, there is no problem. But for me, if you want to follow along with me exactly, come here. You see in the C I created a folder called SQLITE. You can do that. That's this. From C you can see, from C we go to SQLITE, C, SQLITE, then there is a folder called DB, then that database. That's exactly what it's here, what you will see here. From C there is SQLITE, then there is DB, then there is this database. You'll find it from what you will extract. Place it inside SQLITE in DB in local disk C. Then that's what you point here. It's not a must that it must be there, but if you want to follow along, I could put it in my desktop or in another folder, then point to it. It will work. Now finally we need to call that method. Call the method called the method is called connect in the main method, because that's where our program runs. So we call connect. I guess I'm recording. So it connects. I've called the connect method, and I should be able to run and see what it brings. Run and see. It first saved all files. We are running into an error could not find or load main class simple Java connection in simple JDBC users. This one. Let me see what that error is and get back. I don't want to take a lot of time. Okay, the problem was that I didn't save everything correctly. so it could not find the main thing. But now I don't run with the green icon over there, but I can run it with the here, run file. Let's see if it runs now. I guess it should run. It should give me a successful connection. Yeah, I have a lot of problems with my computer. Yeah, SQL connection has been established successfully. Now, I don't want to be long and boring. This was a simple stuff, and my computer is making it boring. So, just remember things to remember. After extracting the Chinook, whatever you will call it, after extracting it, create a folder in C called SQLITE, then create a folder called DB inside it, and put this, whatever you will extract from that folder, into this. Then find this one, place it into your project library as a JAR file, the way I showed you. Then this one you can install. It's MySQL SQLITE UI. Okay, your SQLITE always have command prompt like thing, but you can use SQLITE Studio as a user interface. Now extract this tool into that folder called SQLITE. Extract this. After extracting it, you will find this. Extract it inside here, inside this folder SQLITE. Then you run this one. If you run this, run SQLITE 3, shouldn't run this, then it gives you this. If you get this one, then you are okay. You now have SQLITE installed, but that's not necessary for this project, and just for your good being. The next video I'll make about how to create a database from Java. You don't need to have a sample database. Create a database from your Java program. Here you will create a database from your Java program. The following one you will insert, update, delete, all that. Will be in this series. We'll be talking about SQLITE-JDBC connection. See you next.